YouTube? We back again, another reaction. Airplay Beats, La and Chi. And today we got Uncle Lucius, Keep the Wolves Away. You ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
Took my first breath where the muddy rises, spills into the Gulf of Mexico, where the skyline's colored by chemical plants that put bread on the table of the working man, where the working man does his best to provide safety and shelter for kids and a wife, giving a little of his soul every day, making overtime to keep the wolves away. I was barely 13 when the company man tried to dig my daddy's grave. It happened on a French-owned tanker ship, spilling poison into Galveston Bay, where the liquid fire filled his lungs and his eyes silenced any more cries. Cold in the grave, with death stinging pain, he fought like hell to keep the wolves away. For the next few years, Dad was sick as a dog, but he made a recovery just to spite the odds. The settlement came and we moved out of town, where the sky isn't heavy with refinery clouds. Yeah, he's still alive, he's doing good, he's in his 50s, but the money's running out and he's pinching for pennies. So I'm going for broke with every song I play, 'cause now it's my turn to keep the wolves away.
I want to have you in your feelings.
That was a great record. I mean, that was just a great written record. I'm sure it probably happened, so it was easy for him to write.
Yeah, it's just. I'm sure it was his life because
Yeah,
now he's 50,
yeah.
performing.
Like Pops worked in the plant, some type of chemical plant where chemicals were
Yep,
killing the
he
people
gone.
working
Yeah,
there,
he gone now.
and which happens. We hear about it on the news all the time. And when I was sitting there listening to this, I'm like, man, like we used to didn't think we liked country till we started doing the reactions, but then you think back when we were coming up, they used to always say country was the number one selling genre
It
in music,
was.
period, for tons of years.
Yeah.
And then hip hop took over. And then, so I remember the year for hip hop finally took over. They're like, hip hop's the number one genre, and it hasn't lost yet. I think country came back on top the last couple of years, but it's those two genres, and it's specifically because
They real.
yeah, it's realer than rock and R&B. Like those can cover a lot of bases, but
There's a lot of plasticity
yeah, they're just
in,
telling stories
that
of what
pop.
could happen. Yeah,
Yeah,
this is more of like hip hop. They really telling real
yeah,
stories of their life, and it resonates with so many people. So
yeah.
I have great respect for the country artists that we've been listening
hell
to
yeah. It's
because
like watching a movie
yeah,
or reading a book.
the
That's
lyrics
what
are
that was right there.
the lyrics are like we don't even got nothing to say about the actual music being played. It's just all about the messages and
Right.
the things he's saying. So I enjoyed the
The
story.
music is just a foundation. It's pretty much the pages, and
Yeah,
he's putting
yeah.
the ink in it.
Yeah, and it's all about the ink when you're reading a book or a
Yeah,
poem or
right.
what, and that's what it is. Like,
It is.
it's like I'm just sitting there listening to stuck in the story.
Yeah,
I
that's
thought it
it.
was great.
It was a great story.
They always get me.
Yeah, man. But yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell, and we up out of here.